Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you camera top tricks. The tricks that you can use when you have this smartphone. And in this smartphone you can find a lot of cool features that I'm going to show you. At the first we are going to start from the settings, the cool features that we can activate, and I think that most of them are very useful to activate. So let's tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and at the first we can quickly scan QR codes with our camera. So when you activate this option and go for the photo mode in your camera, you can quickly scan QR codes. Just put your QR code in this place and it will be scanned. You can open it or copy it to clipboard. You can decide which you want to get. We can also make the series of the photo on the smartphone. So you have to find this option and switch from create the GIF to take a bar shot and take a look how it looks. When you're in the photo mode, you have to swipe with your finger and the shutter like that, and we can take a lot of photos. Keep holding, and as you can see we can take 100 photos. Then when you go for it, tap here and you can take a look on all of the photos, as you can see, and you can choose for example this one and you can save it, or you can delete the rest by going here, tapping all and then delete. So that's the burst shot and the Note 10 Lite. Let's go back for the settings, tap on the left upper corner, and when we go for the format and the advanced options, we get here the HEIF pictures mode. So if you want to save storage in your smartphone, definitely activate this option, and it's also useful to activate the ultra wide sharp correction. So it will automatically correct distortion in pictures taken with the ultra wide lens with this one. When you're in the photo mode, this option is activated when you use this lens, the ultra wide lens. Okay, let's go back for the settings, and when we are here, we can also quickly activate the video stabilization by tapping here. So right now our videos will look definitely better with the more stabilization. We can also activate the grid lines. So when you want to take better composition on your photo, it will help us to make it. And also, as you can see, when you move like phone like that, we get here the camera leveler. So there's two options in one. And the next option that we have here, there's the location tags. When you activate this option in the smartphone, and when you take a photo just like that and go for the information in this photo, for the details, you will see the exact location. Oh, wait a minute, this is some kind of the bug probably. Let's take the photo one more time. Let's see if the location is enabled. Yeah, it's enabled. So let's take the photo one at a time. Let's switch lens like that, and let's see the details right now. As you can see right now, there we got the exact location where the photo was taken. So very helpful where you travel a lot and you take a lot of photos, so you will know the exact location of the photo. And what we got here also, we can add the watermark to our photos. When you tap here, you can also enter and customize. As you can see, I type here that a very photo that was taken on the smartphone, and it was taken by HardReset. So take a look on the photos when you're here, and when you take a look, oh wait a minute, I just turned it off probably. Oh no, it's activated. So let's take a photo, bang. And as you can see on the left bottom corner, we got our mark that the photo was taken with the Samsung triple camera, and of course it was taken by the HardReset.Info. And there are last few options, and when you are here, we got shuffling methods, and as you can see, we can switch the volume keys from take picture or record video to control system volume, or go to zoom in or zoom out, and the default is set up to take a picture. Definitely change to this one and take a look. Right now we can much easily zoom in and much smoothly take a look when we press the volume up or volume down button. As you can see, it looks definitely much better than touching the screen like that, or pinching with two fingers. Is definitely much useful feature. And in these options we can also find the voice command. So when you tap right here on the voice command, you can say cheese, smile, capture or shot, and the photo will be taken when we are in the photo mode. So let's see how it works. Cheese, smile, as you can see the photo was taken, capture, shot, shot, shot. Okay, it was taken. There's also the phrase that we can say the record video. Of course we have to switch to the video mode, but unfortunately in my case it doesn't work in the smartphone. So let's try again. Record video. Okay, right now it works. I tried a lot of times, but it doesn't work. But right now it's fine. Okay, and of course there was the settings that we have, the useful settings. But right now let's focus on the modes. And when you are in the photo mode, we got, for example, the timer. So we can set up timer. For example, for the 2 seconds, and when we press the shutter, the photo will be taken after 2 seconds. You can also go for 5 or 10, as you can see. So yeah, that's it. We can also, in the video mode, we can activate additional stabilization, the super steady mode. And when you click on it, as you can see, we are unable to change the lenses. So we have to remember about that. When we are in the more modes, now we can for sure find the Pro mode, Panorama mode, Night mode. But the very interesting is the Pro video. So as you can see, there's the same like the Pro mode, but here you can adjust all the values like that. Manually, you can make everything manually. Take a look. We can also change the temperature and ISO to make our photo more brighten or more dark. And we get also here the super slow motion video. So take a look. I'm trying to capture this one, maybe with the bottle of the water. Let's see if it can record. Let's take a look how it looks. Unfortunately, I just pressed too fast probably. Oh, okay. Yeah, in the end it catch, but you know it's hard to record that video. You have to train. Let's try to make it another time. Okay, there's just saving the video, and let's see how it looks right now. I think it will be better right now. Yeah, definitely a little bit better. And basically that's all. So there's all settings and all good features that you can find in the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.